Hi, my name is Roy, and I'm a team member at ANYLOG. I'll show you a new functionality in EDGELAKE today that allows you to bring AI directly to the edge with our new embedded MCP service. What you'll see is a demo from a production customer, which is the city of Sabetha in Kansas. Across every vertical, data is generated at the edge by machines, sensors, PLCs, cameras, and controllers. The traditional approach moves that data from the edge into centralized clouds. This adds cost, latency, and operational complexity. With EdgeLake, we reverse this model. Instead, EdgeLake is a lightweight software agent that runs directly at the edge, on the same network where systems already operate. This architecture allows data to stay local, in place, and under full control of the data owner. One example of EdgeLake in full production deployment is enabling the city of Sabetha, Kansas, in being a smart city. Sabetha is using EdgeLake to manage its electricity generators, water plant, and wastewater plants. Each system keeps its data locally, but EdgeLake enables the city to monitor their entire infrastructure seamlessly and without incurring any cloud costs or having any cloud dependency. What I'll show you next is how we can analyze Sabetha's real-time operational data without BI pipelines and only using an AI agent and simple prompts. What's most exciting is that Sabetha is one example. The same architecture applies across all verticals where edge data is generated. Let's now analyze Sabetha's electricity generation using EdgeLake's MCP server. For example, we can ask how much real power was generated in the last 24 hours. And we can see that it produced a summary that 350.7 megawatts were generated in the last 24 hours. We can then ask Claude to graph the power generated in the last 24 hours. And we can see that a dashboard was created that summarizes the total number of power generated, including a graph with the trend. We can then dive a little deeper into the data, and we can ask, can you analyze if a generator needs maintenance? And we can see here that it identified some critical issues, warning, and healthy metrics, and also proposed some action items that the city could take. Including here is also a maintenance analysis summary based on the data that it looked at, so the cost database and the PP_PM table. These are the real-time analytical queries you can use the EdgeLake MCP server to answer. This operates directly from live production data, all at the edge, and no cloud server needed. Let me summarize what we just saw. Answering these questions requires ETL pipelines, dashboards, cloud compute, and specialized data teams. Here they're answered instantly, using natural language directly on live edge data with no data movement or the cloud. We were able to analyze data distributed across the city, visualize metrics, and identify problems and propose remedial solutions. All this was done without a data scientist or a single line of code. Sabetha is a live production example, but the impact goes far beyond one city. The same approach enables AI at the edge across every vertical: cities, utilities, telecom, industrial systems, energy, and beyond. AI agents operating directly on live edge data is the future. No cloud dependency, no data pipelines, no BI systems. With EdgeLake, distributed operations become a single intelligence system out of the box.